Exercise 12.2, question number 7. A chord of a circle of radius 12 cm subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle using pi equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.73. We cannot use 1.732, it is given 1.73 only. Now here, before we start the question, there is something I want you to remind. In complementary relations, we use sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now here, whenever we are given the angle subtended at the center is more than 90 degree, in that case, we will use sine 90 plus theta, which is also equal to cos theta. So here, by combining both of these two, we create a new relation for complementary angles. Sine 90 plus minus theta is equal to cos theta. And this sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta we only use when we are given the angle subtended at center is more than 90 degree. Because in trigonometric angle table, we have seen the values of sine and all the other ratios only from 0 to 90 degree. That means we don't know the value of any angle more than 90. So in that case, we will convert that angle into cos. Okay. So for this question, we will use the relation sine 90 plus theta equal to cos theta. It is always useful and you can use it anywhere required. So we are given a circle of radius 12 centimeter. And as this time the angle is 120 degrees, so I have taken the point A and B far away, so that when we join it with center, we get a bigger angle like 120 degree. This figure you can draw with the imagination. Join AB, so we get the corresponding segment. Corresponding segment means the segment in front of the angle. So this area we have to find out. So r equal to 12 centimeter we are given, theta is equal to 120 degree. Using formula, area of segment is equal to r square upon 2 pi theta by 180 minus sin theta. Putting the value, r is 12, so 12 into 12 upon 2. The value of pi 3.14 into theta 120 upon 180 minus sine 120 degree. So we can cancel it by 2. So we get 12 into 6 is 72 and 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. We get 3.14 into 2 upon 3 minus. Here we are going to write sine 120 as sine 90 plus 30. Now, sine 90 plus 30 we will compare with sine 90 plus theta. So sine 90 plus theta equal to cos theta. That means sine 90 plus 30 equal to cos 30. So here sine 120 convert into cos 30. When you multiply 3.14 into 2, 6.28 upon 3 minus cos 30. Therefore, 72 within bracket 6.28 upon 3 minus root 3 upon 2. Now let's multiply 72 inside the bracket. So 72 into 6.28 upon 3 minus 72 into root 3 upon 2. So cancelling it by 3, we get 24, and cancelling it by 2, we get 36. So 24 into 6.28 minus 36 into the value of root 3, 1.73. So let us multiply. First, let us multiply 6.28 with 24. So 24 into 6.28 is equal to 150.72 minus 1.73 multiplying to 36. Is 62.28. So 150.72 minus 62.28 is equal to 88.44 centimeters square is the area of the segment.